6:35, we start the Kalalau Trail, Kauai, Hawaii. Hey, beach. Trailhead.
I have been searching all of my days.
It's about 6:30 a.m.
All of my days. Many a road, you know, I've been walking on. All of my days. And I've been trying to find what's been in my mind as the days keep turning into night. Well, I have been quietly standing in the shade all of my days. Watch the sky breaking on the promise that we made. All of this rain. And I've been trying to find what's been in my mind as the days keep turning into night. Many a night I found myself with no friends standing near. All of my days I cried aloud, I shook my hands at what I'm doing here.
Where the trailhead starts.
All of these days
10.75 to go.
For I look around me and my eyes confound me, and it's just too bright as the days keep turning into night.
It's a great shot on the Poly Coast. Down past that point.
Now I see clearly it's you I'm looking for. All of my days. So I smile and know I'll feel this loneliness no more. All of my days. For I look around me and it seems you found me, and it's coming into sight as the days keep turning into night. As the days keep turning into night.
Looking down at Hanakapi'ai beach, you can see down there there's little heads trying to ride the surf. Pretty crazy. Usually there's a beach here in the summertime, but since it's early in the season, most of the sand's swept out to the ocean. But, there he goes, look. Crazy. Be down there in a couple minutes. Beautiful. Trying to get over to Hanakapi'ai Beach. This is Hanakapi'ai Stream. I gotta cross this, ford it, I guess, but it's a little high. This will be a challenge. running shoes. Mud. Lots of it. Just finished fording the stream. It was not too bad. This is the beach at Hanakapi'ai. Last time I was here, it went way out there and come around down by that boulder way out there. But at 2 miles, gotta keep going. Well, try a little video of myself. Thought this was a good spot.
I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. I think I can make it now. The pain is gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Here is that rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Look all around, there's nothing but blue sky. Look straight ahead, nothing but blue sky.
This is the crawler. 5-mile waterfall. Hanakapi'ai Valley approaching 6-mile campsite. Gotta I'll let you know that I'm on the crawler's ledge in about half-mile or so. It's a pretty scary part. I'm going to try to film it. It's going to be shaky, but I just want to do a little filming here, see what's going on. Look here a little bit. Easiest thing to do. The wind's very windy. Get an idea what I'm looking at. Turn it around this way. See, it's pretty wild. Look right down here. You can see down. Amazing. right now. I let you go through.
What's that?
I let you go.
Oh, okay.
That was exciting, right?
Yeah, very. Was that the worst of it?
That's the worst of it. Yeah. Is there anyone else behind you?
No, there isn't.
Oh, good. All right. Thank you. Boy, oh boy. Hope we're getting this. It's a one-shot deal. The wind, we walk around this, the wind's incredible. Remember, I got a pack on. Try to look around a little bit here. Okay. Not too windy, it's good. First time I came through here on the way in, it was wet and windy. I'm getting this. Okay, keep on going here. All right.
But you see, I said, if it don't matter to you, it don't matter to me. No, 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 no.
It's raining on me now.
Don't matter to you.
We're gonna go in.
It don't matter to me. People all around making sounds and all kinds of noise. If I could only get there, then I could enjoy who they're trying to be, who they're trying to fool. Let's change the mood right now. Turn down the lights. It's time to cool it down. If it don't matter to you, it don't matter to me. If it don't matter to you, it don't matter to me. Yesterday and what we could be, it don't matter.
Feel the wind coming off the-
What we don't need, it don't matter. Everything unless I'm with you, it doesn't matter to me. No. Bring it on down to me. Sing it on down for me. Sing it on down to me. If it don't matter to you, it don't matter to me. No, 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 no. If it don't matter to you, it don't matter to me. I said, if it don't matter to you, it don't matter to me. No, 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 no. If it don't matter to you, it don't matter to me.
Look at this.
Don't look back, it won't do any good. But don't look ahead, you'll just be misunderstood. Everything you need could be right in front of you. It doesn't take much to see what is true. They say we're gonna die if we go on like this. Who do you believe? Every story's got a twist. Take a look around and tell me what you see. People in the world just trying to be free. What about all those things you could have done, but you don't? They say things happen for a reason. You don't do them, they won't. We're looking for life, love, and laughter. Everything in between, and what happens after. I'm looking for life, looking for love, I'm looking for laughter. Things are gonna change, they never stay the same. That's why we'll find a war, putting evil on the blame. You can always stand up for what you believe. Don't be blinded by the power of greed. What about all those things you could have done, but you don't? They say things happen for a reason. You don't do them, they won't. You know we're looking for life, love, and laughter. Everything in between, and what happens after. What happens after
It's Kalalau Beach down there. Just about there, another, I guess, 1.5 miles, 2 miles. And this is, I'm on Red Hill, that's what they call it, but here's Kalalau Valley. I wish it was, clouds were not around, we could see so much more. Pretty amazing. I'm exhausted.
Wash away my troubles, wash away my pain with the rain in Shambhala. Wash away my sorrow, wash away my shame with the rain in Shambhala. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Everyone is helpful, everyone is kind on the road to Shambhala. Everyone is lucky, everyone is so kind on the road to Shambhala. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. How does your light shine in the halls of Shambhala? How does your light shine in the halls of Shambhala? I can tell my sister by the flowers in her eyes on the road to Shambhala. I can tell my brother by the flowers in his eyes on the road to Shambhala.
Hello everybody, just wanted to give a lowdown on my campsite. I just moved here after two nights, but not 2 nights. Opened up, people had left, so I said, I'll grab this spot. So it's nice, there's my tent. Set up.
Tell me, how does your light shine in the halls of Shambhala?
The best thing of all.
How does your light shine in the halls of Shambhala?
Here. This is what's out front. Yeah, right. Here's my path. Beach. Step out here a little bit. Yeah. What exactly this is all about.
I had a dream, I stood beneath an orange sky. Yes, I had a dream, I stood beneath an orange sky. with my brother standing by, with my brother standing by. I said, brother, you know, it's a long road we've been walking on. Yes it is, you know, brother, it is. Such a long road we've been walking on. Oh brother, oh brother. And I had a dream, I stood beneath an orange sky, with my sister standing by, with my sister standing by. I said, here is what I know now, sister, here is what I know now. In your love, my salvation lies. In your love, my salvation lies. In your love, my salvation lies. In your love, in your love, in your love. Oh, but you know I am so weary, and you know my heart's been broken now. Sometimes my mind is too strong to carry on. Too strong to carry on. When I'm alone, when I've thrown off the weight of this crazy stone, when I've lost all care for the things I own, that's when I miss you. That's when I miss you, you who are my home. You are my what I know now, sister, goes like this. In your love, my salvation lies. 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 In your love, in your love, in your love, your love now.
Here we are at Big Pool, about a mile in from the beach. Take a dip. See what I'm looking at from the water. Sun's a little bright. Gotta get over here in the shade. Pretty amazing.
My brother and my sister stand. My brother and my sister stand.
Beautiful. I don't know if you can get all of me in here or not. best. It's amazing. Beautiful blue sky. And probably too fast. That's all right. Turn around. Try going underneath the water here a little bit. Aloha, how are you? Okay. Yeah, beautiful. Thank goodness after how many days of rain, right? Yeah. Amazing. Really cool. All right, enough of that.
I wanna be your rush, love. I wanna hold you to the stars. The way light shines in the park on a Sunday afternoon. I want you to be big, want you to be gold. I want you to be sky. The more things change, the more they shine. Glow, I wanna see you glow. I wanna see your daylight shining all around your heart. I wanna see you glow. I wanna see your daylight so bright all around my soul. I wanna see you soar, love. I wanna see you fly and kick off the world in the dark and just dive, just dive. The more things change, the more they shine. Glow, I wanna see you glow. I wanna see your daylight shining all around your heart. I wanna see you glow. I wanna see your daylight so bright all around my soul. I'll run this world with you. I'll run this world with you.
Spooky.
Glow, I wanna see you glow. I wanna see your daylight shining all around your heart. I wanna see you glow. I wanna see your daylight so bright all around my glow. I wanna see you glow. I wanna see your daylight shining all around your heart. I wanna see you glow. I wanna see your daylight so bright all around my soul.
Here's my Nini Beach campsite. Just give you a little insight. Right.
There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. no song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. Our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least, for most of the questions in my heart, like why are we here and where do we go and how come it's so hard? It's not always easy and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look at them stars when we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Moments just might find their way into my dreams tonight, but I know that they'll be gone when the morning light sings or brings new things. For tomorrow night you see that they'll be gone too. Too many things I have to do, but if all of these dreams might find their way into my day-to-day scene, I'd be under the impression
This is my view from inside my tent.
With only two, just
hard to
me
take.
and you. Not so many things we got to do, or places we got to be. We'll sit beneath the mango tree now. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. We're somewhere in between together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. I believe in memories, they look so pretty when I sleep. Hey now and when I wake up, you look so pretty sleeping next to me.
Try to sell something that just can't be bought. You say it's the latest and the greatest, but I know that it's not. You want me to be somebody you don't want to be. Didn't even exist last year, but now it's what we need. Oh no, not me. Oh no, not me. 'Cause I'm heading home. I'm headed home. You try to tear down something that should never be torn. I guess it won't be green around here when they're born. Once it's really gone, then it's really gone for good. And just because you can don't mean that you should. Oh no, not here. Oh no, not now. 'Cause I'm headed home. I'm headed home. Come on, get it. You gotta go somewhere you never gone. Sing something that you never sung. Think about something that you never thought. And if you're gonna give everything you got. Oh yeah, right here. Oh yeah, right now. 'Cause I'm heading home. I'm heading home.